so welcome back to my channel, and we are traveling to Vengula today. So now at present we are at Dadar and we'll be heading back to the station. So he's my husband Felix.
Hello guys. So our train is at 12 o'clock, but she got me at 11 o'clock over here.
So it's good to be on time, right guys?
Yeah, she's expecting me to be on time.
Of course I'm a teacher and I always have to be on time.
Let's see.
So this is the state of Dadar during Diwali. This is the Rangoli, diyas, jewelries, makeup items.
Hey, you want to buy something?
I wanted to actually, but it's almost getting shut down.
This time they sell very cheap.
Yeah, that's it. But it's okay. I'm actually feeling tired now. And I'm hungry again.
अजीब जानवर है, कितना भी खाए भूखा रहता है.
Of course.
When you climate train, just go to sleep.
No, I have carried chips, okay? Should I look for a pant?
Do one thing, go sit over there only. Okay, like say अभी
छोटे हाँ छोटे अकेला जाएगा तू गाँव
जाएगा रे भाई, अपन डरता नहीं इससे.
तो जाना
चल जा, चल भाग इधर से.
चल let's buy crackers. No, but we are not checking the ticket now. From since so long I'm telling him check where it is. Now he realized that we have to check on which platform it is coming. This is called Late Latif people.
Well, B2?
It's like he's always depended on me. You keep searching. You are very confused because you come on the wrong platform.
Huh?
Chalo, let's go down. टन ये तो रॉन्ग वाला चेक कर रहा है. We have asked someone where does the train stops, because this Pandya was actually confused. He doesn't know.
I don't travel train में.
हाँ हाँ तुम तो कहाँ जानते हो कुछ भी.
So bogie is at B2. It's like almost somewhere here. This is Vande Bharat. Like this. Let's see where it comes ahead. Lost soul is walking so freely. भाई सामान मेरे हाथ में दिया, तू ऐसा चलते हुए कैसे चलेगा रे बाबा?
उसमें तो थक गया रे.
एक बैग उठा के थक गया. इधर मेरे को पूरा दुनिया दे दिया हाथ में पकड़ने के लिए. साला पूरा सामान मेरे हाथ में दिया रे बाबा तू. And you are saying you got tired.
मेरा पति है ना इसलिए.
मेरे को भी उठा ले रे बाबा. This train ना?
No.
Which train?
Who said? It's Tutari Express.
It's Tutari Express.
This is not Tutari. Which is this train?
This is Vande Bharat Express.
Sorry, say again.
Vande Bharat Express.
Sorry, say
We
again.
cannot afford that train.
Oh, is
We
it?
can afford Tutari
You should have told your boss to give
as
you
per our current salary.
Diwali bonus.
Oh, she'll give you bonus next year.
Next year?
फिलहाल
Okay.
आजा.
फिर तो मेरे को फ्लाइट में ही लेके जाना.
Flight में? Oh man, we get bonus in peanuts.
Oh, is it?
We try this train one. And you become rich. This is Konkan Kanya.
Madgaon it is.
This is one more train that goes to Goa
I
directly.
hope our train comes early, yaar.
It leaves from Dadar, so it will come early. Hopefully.
It leaves from Dadar.
Yeah, it
So
leaves
we are
from
in Dadar only. Where in Dadar it leaves?
Very difficult to understand a woman. The boy is enjoying his time of his life. I wish I could get a place to sit. Sahatan के शिरकला जैसा है तो. One train that goes to Goa. Unfortunately, we didn't get his ticket. So at the end moment we got Tutari. Now let's see how this train. It's very hot in winter as well. Sorry.
What? What are you saying?
Oh, night makeup.
By the way, we are twinning today.
See, I want to change now. So this is our train. 11003 to Taria Express. Yeah, coach is B2. Sorry, coach 16, bogie is B2. So let's see how long it takes to come.
I'm eagerly waiting for it.
How long it will
Because
take
I'm
to
so
come?
excited to go.
How long it will take to come?
Maybe 10-15 minutes.
Yeah. Father is motorman, na? 10-15
Wish he
minutes.
could be, yeah. I am thirsty, bro.
खाना चालू. Pandya, how much now you started? No, I don't want. People carry so big luggage as they travel. The train looks very old, right?
Yeah, it's actually.
Hopefully it should be clean inside. Let's see now. Yeah. So this is B1, I guess. This is okay. This is B-less coach. And here comes the coach. T51. Okay, this is one at the center, the middle berth.
Excuse me.
And
Excuse
that's
me,
51.
That's 50 and 51.
Okay, my bad. Full surge I'm wedding.
You're coming?
अपना चप्पल लेने जा रहे बाबा. हाँ.
अपन टिप टॉप घूमते हैं. ऐसे चप्पल भी पड़ जाती नहीं
So
अपन.
Converse, t-shirt, cargo, bag, and now you'll go to sleep here. Train is almost empty. Till Thane, I believe.
पांडव निघला कसं. क्या रे?
फोन कर रहे बाबा. नींद आ रहे मेरे.
तेरे सीट पे जाके बैठ जा.
इसे फुल कर रहे. क्या है अभी तक?
He is given already ना.
अच्छा on top is kept.
He's given.
Maharaj is sleeping down and we kept it tucked on top.
Excuse me, he's not going to give it in your hand.
Hey, you should do bedding and give me.
What's this? Who bit you?
Harshita, one of my friend, gave me chatka.
Huh? With what, Ray?
Glue gun. कुछ नहीं लगता है, कुछ नहीं, बहुत sensitive है तू.
No, I have a bad experience with the glue gun. Glue gun, sorry, I mean.
What is it?
I said glue gun by mistake.
Glue gun.
But by mistake I said okay.
इनको भी बंद होएगा.
And those are my new shoes.
And then this you should go to sleep.
Excuse me, I'm not so dumb. But I'll be wearing these shoes and I'll be going to
New
sleep.
shoes? What was it? You said you just
My
washed
new
your shoes.
shoes. Because my old shoes actually were very tight for me. So I had purchased it 3 months back. Poch le. Stop it, okay? झेमे तम आपका.
अब बेड लाइता ना तुम्हारा तो या तो लो बेड लो. Story you want to hear? Discount होता है ये 10 rupees for the now. Since 10 minutes she's saying I'm feeling sleepy, I'm feeling sleepy, I'm feeling sleepy.
तो चल नहीं यार वो
But she's not giving me to sleep also. Oh no, when she'll go to sleep and when she'll allow me to sleep. Night बंद करे वो और नींद आ रहा मेरे को.
चल जाके रखा मुझे अब
दिस इज ना जागा एक नंबर का हरामी बच्चा दिस इज स्ट्रगल इज रियल गाइस जो महाराष्ट्र Finally, I get to sleep, but let's see how long. Still beddings are going on in the. I don't understand the women, guys. I don't need one khattus. Before sleeping, one khattus and I'll give him. Let's see.
Neon hums like a subtle thrill. Shadows dance on the windowsill. Concrete dreams in the glow collide. Breathe it in, let the waves decide. Streetlight.
So hey guys, good morning. So it's almost 7:35 and we reached Ukshi station. Our panda is still sleeping, so let's see when she wakes up. The atmosphere is really very great over here. Let me show you the scenery view over here. The weather is actually very nice over here today in the morning. The weather is nice and you can actually hear the birds over the train sounds. It has been on route for a while. And each stop feels more scenic as we head more closer to our destination. You can see the trench. It's completely covered with fog. Okay, I'll show you one small cascade for over here. One second, I'll just go in. You can see that. It looks so good. I believe it looks more beautiful during rainy season.
Good morning.
कितना? now. Round table 2. Chai biscuit.
तो भाई कॉफी पे
Okay, hi guys, we just reached Kankavli station now. Let's see, it will take like roughly 15 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes to reach Kudal station, our final destination. Station seems to be very empty as of now. Barely anyone got down over here. been like 10 minutes. We just came over here. I guess the signal over here, that's the reason it's taking time. Now I wonder how long it will take, because the train is almost 1 hour late. We were supposed to reach at 11 o'clock, but it's already 12. So just let's see what happens when we reach, what time we reach.
So what do you think, Felix? After reaching, what is our next plan?
I'll go to sleep. I'm tired now.
You slept so much in the train, right?
I woke up at 6 o'clock.
But still after that you were sleeping.
No, that was power nap.
Since 1 hour is called a power nap.
1 hour I slept.
Then
Oh, powerful nap then.
that's what. I haven't slept actually.
What are your plans then?
Clean the house
Oh wow, then I'll sleep.
and then go to sleep.
Wow.
And are you planning to order food?
No. You should cook food, I guess.
Then I think you should go and buy some fish.
Wow.
Chal, next is our station. Next is our station.
Next is our station. The Banda already opened and set.
I'm hungry.
So long you are sitting and now you opened. आता एसी घराची एसी चालू आहे. All details here.
It's that side. May I have your attention?
Pink cap?
Yes, baby. It's my pink cap.
Jennison.
It's too sunny and I can't bear the heat. So I just...
अरे काजल भाई सामान उठा मजा आता है क्या?
किधर जा रहा है तू?
काला वगैरह बाबा.
हाँ, now I feel better. Who are we waiting for?
100 रुपये कमी द्या. 700 रुपये स्टँडला भाडं आहे. तर मस्करी नाही सांगत तुम्हाला. देवदेवी मंदिर पुढे आहे जवळपास 4-5 किलोमीटर.
आम्ही फर्स्ट टाइम नाही ना नंतर आम्ही येतात.
तिथे विचारून द्या भाडं 700 रुपये तिकडे आहे. तरी पण मी सांगतो तुम्हाला 600 रुपये द्या. 700 रुपये आहे बरोबर.
800 जास्ती आहे.
700 नको देऊ 600 रुपये.
हां, 600 बी जास्ती आहे आम्हाला.
नाही 600 रुपये 100 कमी कशा जातो माहिती आहे आमच्या तिकडे. येताना गॅस भरून मिळतात. तिकडे आमच्या जवळ गॅस नाही म्हणून ते 100 कमी आहे. तिथे विचारा तिथे सांगते तेवढं द्या मला. 700 सांगितलं 700 द्यायचं लागतील. 600 रुपये कमी.
500 बरोबर आहे. आम्ही 450 मिळतात.
नाही देवदेवी मंदिर ना 700 रुपये भाडा.
Bargain is going on. Let's see who wins.
रेग्युलर भाडा.
500 रुपये बरोबर.
500 रुपये म्हणजे खूप 200 रुपये मॅडम कमी आहे.
ना अंकल 500 बरोबर आहे. 500 ते 500 मागीर आसली ना भायर पळयता
इतक्या भाडा कमी नाही. पटांग तर विचारा मला 500 सांगले तर बिंदास 500 तुम्ही द्या. बिंदास 500 काढून द्या.
रिक्शा को छोड़ के पप्पू इसको लेने गए मदर विल कम एंड बाइट मदर वोंट कम ना बाबा
त्यांना सवय आहे ती. खाऊ का असल्यावर ते
क्यूट आणि सगळ्यांक म्हाका असं कितें लागला. माती लायला नो इट्स नॉट माती सी पेंट लायला तेंच्यांनी
दे मस्ट हैव स्क्रैच समथिंग अप्पा
पेंट आसा.
या आहे बघा.
दैट्स इट ना How much is taking?
500 अंकल.
मी 100 रुपये तुमच्यासाठी कमी केलाय. 700 रुपयाची आता भाडा मारलो. 500 बघा तुम्ही रनिंग किती आहे आणि तसं विचारा भाडं किती आहे. सरळ द्यावा.
Bargain continues.
आम्ही म्हणत नाही तसं तुम्हाला. पण 700 रुपये म्हणजे 100 रुपये आम्ही कमी करतो. वेंगुर्ला इथून ना बरोबर 26 किलोमीटर आहे तिथे जाणार इथे. 700 रुपयेच भाडा आहे. तर काय आम्हाला धंदा कमी नसतो म्हणून आम्ही जास्त इकडला 2 किलोमीटर जास्त रनिंग आहे.
Ah, that's why. Say, taking 500 will go from here, the other side will go. What's it?
ना अंकल 500 बरोबर आ. 500 बरोबर आ.
काय
मग
इकडला
500
3
बरोबर
किलोमीटर एक्स्ट्रा आहे. आणि
तेच ते मग एक्स्ट्रा नाका.
तिकडनं गेलास ना तर 700 रुपये भाडं तुमचं आहे. 700 रुपये
ना 700 ना म्हाका जाण
कमी नाही
ट्रॅव्हल
करतो. 1
करता.
रुपये तुमचं कमी करतो ना. आम्ही 700 रुपये कशात सांगतो
आम्ही
इकडे
करता ना
येतो.
अंकल ट्रॅव्हल जाणार ना आमका.
तुम्ही विचारा आणि मला भाडं द्या. 500 सांगितलं तर बिंदास 500 द्या. बाजारमध्ये ना स्टँडला 600 रुपये भाडं घेतात. तिथून ना 200 रुपये
ते
भाडं
आमका 30 वचूंक जाय त्यात चित्ता आहे की या
घेतात. इकडनं भरपूर हे आहे तुम्हाला.
ना 30 आम्ही जास्त 30नच वयतात.
500 रुपये म्हणजे मॅडम खूप कमी. मी इमानदारीने तुम्हाला भाडं सांगितलं.
आणि गेल्या पावटी आम्ही येऊन
केपादेवी मंदिरला आहे ना तुम्ही मॅडम. केपादेवी मंदिर 3 नंबर शाळा. 1 नंबर शाळेकडे 600 रुपये भाडं आहे. पुढे 3 किलोमीटर
आम्ही
जाणार.
लास्ट टाइम बागेनच करून 450 गेले.
कशात नाही जाडी झाली मॅडम त्याला.
चलता अंकल थँक्यू.
550 या.
ना ना 500
खूप कमी केलात पैसे.
ना 500 बरोबर.
विचारा आणि द्या पैसे.
Oh, पांड्या जिद गए रे.
पैसे कमी आहे.
This fellow is regretting now.
काय ना असं चिना अंकल.
कोकणात आम्ही नाही तसं करत कधीच. असले धंदेच नाही करत. लुटायचे धंदे कधी नाही. कोणच नाही. मी नाही. कोणच करू शकत नाही.
What am I actually?
That's called bargaining.
Finally, we are leaving the station. Now let's see how long it takes.
Finally, I guess it was a paint on their head. Cuties they want.
So I bought one in the bag.
So finally we are in the rickshaw and heading towards our home. And it's too sunny outside actually. It's very hot. As I expected, the October month would be the coldest month.
I don't think so. Maybe more black.
Yeah, that's what. This lady who is selling fish over here, and she's giving a smile.
सारी उम्र मैं जो कर जा बढ़िया
देखिए हम कचरा
I thought it was Koral market. So it is basically Bengali market.
आता भी कुछ नहीं हो रहा
और वो कितना आता है बे?
है, बोलता ही नहीं कुछ।
इसलिए मेरे को बोलने के लिए। Look at the sky. You can sleep anytime, anywhere.
So finally we reached near to our house. Completely exhausted. Now just go and freshen up first. हाँ ये पांड्या.
मैं तो सोई करे बाबा और पीटना रहने को
So just finished cleaning the house. Now it's time to clean my important thing. My old bike, which I parked over here, long back. I'm just curious whether it will work or no. Let's see, because it's been like 4 months. I've not started that bike. It's Activa basically. So this is my bike, Activa. It's very dirty. Despite of that, I doubt it will start. Let's see. 4 months ideally the engine becomes cold. So I don't think it will start. It should start, but let's see what happens. It started in just 2 kicks. Unbelievable. Seriously. I didn't expected this. So now it started, so let's give a good wash for this bike because now I'm very dirty. It went through rainy season, summer. It should not stop in between. That's the main thought. Let's see. Chalo.
Woke up late, missed the morning glaze.
मग ताजी म्हाका नंतर इल्ल्यात काय सांगा मी तुमका ओळखतोय
कसे किलो
400 हे घेतली 300 रुपये
आणि बांगडा
बांगडे 100 रुपये
आता वाटा 100
सांगा काय एक कुर्ले वेदर 250 रुपये या उतरले 300
आणि ही कुठची सेम सुरमई
हो सेम सुरमई 800 रुपये ही 800 रुपये काहीतरी नाही ती रिक्षा घेतली
Hey guys, so welcome back. So we are at Bengulla Bandar and we are come to buy fish over here. Basically we were not planning to buy, but then we just said like let's go and see what you get there. So there are these fishes like bangda, then there are prawns. So basically you get fishes like shark fish, which was really amazing to see. Then you get bangdas, prawns, surmai, and crabs were there, and even squid was there. So we just, happened to ask the squid rate. So only 4 squids are for 700 kg. I just can't believe the rates are just increasing day by day.
Oh no, you don't have to cook also squid, right?
Yeah, actually I don't know, but it's okay. I would have just seen YouTube recipe.
अरे
That's
लड़े भी
what I
अच्छा
always do. And then I happened to purchase bangda. That was 100 rupees 8. And finally I took Colombi, that is prawns, for my beloved husband who loves eating. Rather than eating other fish, he only loves prawns. So I just took it. Okay, bye.